Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video we're going to talk about how to change Cleo's chatbot tone. Now, one of the coolest things about Cleo is her personality. You can actually customize her tone, whether you want her to be sweet, savage, or super professional. Let me show you how it's done. First step is to open the Cleo app. Now, from your home screen, launch Cleo to access your dashboard, and then you're going to tap the chat icon. So start a chat with Cleo by tapping the message bubble, and there you're going to type change your tone. Now simply type, or you can select an option related to changing Cleo's tone. Next, you're going to choose your preferred tone. Now, options usually include friendly, roast or sarcastic, hype, and the defaults. You can just choose whichever options appeals to you the most. Once that's done, confirm your selection and Cleo will save your new preference immediately. Now Cleo talks exactly the way you want her to. Whether you need tough love or pure hype, she's got you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.